Contractors, welcome. Here is the sub-tracking dashboard of your new tracking system and how it looks. So here we have the company information. We have our tax ID number, our email. This is very important. If you have watched the first video, depending on which email you use, that is where the instant notifications go to. Now, if you are a Lightspeed client, it's very important. If you are a Lightspeed client and you want us to give you that dedicated support, just put in track at lightspeedins.com. So all the emails will come to us. And once that does, we redirect it to you. Very simple, very easy. And at that point, it gives us the ability to call you or your subcontractors to get any changes updated and current. We also give you the policy management support where we document all your policies in your user access, and also we update your subcontractors tracking list that we discussed earlier video. I definitely recommend that. Those will come in handy when come audit time, so do not forget. Now if you want to edit it, you can just click here and edit any of those that data. And if you need to add a contractor, here at the bottom, you will see all your contractors and whether their policies on file, if they have an active exemption, any notify changes, and the date that their policy was started or renewed. Now, if you want to add a contractor, we click on add a contractor. This page shows up, and here we go. We have the business name, FEI number, which I already entered. Come here. You see all the policy information of the client for the, looks like for the last pretty much decade almost. So you can see here on the last two policies that there was a change here in March 28th. They had switched policies 2 months later, essentially. So this would be the most current policy that we want to verify. You're already tracking this FEI number. That's why it was in our dashboard. But here, if it was a new person, it'll just say, hey, it's been added. And if you go back to your tracking list, let's go back. And let's go back, and here we go. You can see that the client was already entered and is part of your full company tracking list. It's very important that you keep this up to date. Our team is responsible, again, once you become a Lightspeed client, to the subcontracting tracking list, the spreadsheet that we provided. We make sure that they both go hand in hand and that they're both always up to date and that we're always getting that email notification. Thank you so much, and on to the next one. Have a good one.